Hey, call me nuts. I don't know. But I'm about ready to go up on an airplane and do a tandem parachute jump. And this guy right over here,
Let's do it.
Shawn Gilfillan from Magic, he kind of convinced me. We're down here for a great conference that's going to start tomorrow, Friday. And he says, have you ever skydived? This girl right over here, she says, how many years ago? A couple of years ago, right?
What?
We wanted to go do this. We wanted to jump.
We always said that.
We always said we were going to jump. So Shawn must be.
Today's the day.
He must have known what our dreams were. And so after I signed 1,700 disclaimers that I won't sue anybody, we're about ready to go up in the air. So we'll let you know when we get back what we're doing.
If you don't see a video after that, then we didn't make it.
Oh, if you don't see, that's great. If you don't see the post interview, we're pancakes.
Okay, we're about to get harnessed up. Are you having any second thoughts?
And thirds and fourths.
I'm ready to do this.
14,500 feet. I just found out that's how high we jumped from. I'm trying to find the plane that just went up before
Shawn's up
us.
there.
Yeah. And I think it's kind of like a dot.
He's gonna land right behind us.
Yeah, I know. And SHI,
Do you ever think automotive conferences would have skydiving as like a side thing
No,
to do?
but I know guys that go in the wind tunnels. And that's what we thought this was.
Yes.
We thought it was a wind tunnel.
But we are channeling our inner Keith Perkins to do this.
Oh my God, you're right. I'm inspired by the Keeter. Yes.
All right, Carm, welcome to Skydiving Sussex. What are we doing today?
Hey, we are checking something off my bucket list.
What is it?
That would
Skydiving?
be skydiving with my daughter.
There we go, jumping out of a plane, 14,500 feet, 120 miles per
That's what
hour.
I heard, yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
First time?
Let's see, first time?
There we
Let's
go.
do this.
Awesome. Anything you want to say to your friends and family back at home?
No, I don't have any last words.
Yeah, there's no
Because there
last
won't be
words.
any.
Let's have fun. See you in the skies.
That's all right, baby.
All right.
I know you're waiting for the daylight, alright, so am I. Oh, 'cause without it I don't know who I am. Love is unlimited gold. No, it's an infinite resource. On the other side of God, in the land of my own on the other side of on the other side of
Oh my God.
Set up. It's
Oh
on back
my
to the
God.
ground. Let me help you out.
Woo.
There we go.
So how many years off my life did I just lose? This was unbelievable.
Congratulations, you did it.
Thank you so much. This was great.
You
Thank
do it
you,
again?
guys. Where's my guy?
There you
Thank
go.
you, man.
Thank you, sir.
Wow.
All right, would you do it again?
I would.
Back to Skydiving Sussex.
I gotta look for my daughter. Where's Tracy?
All right, guys, welcome to Skydive Sussex. How we feeling today?
Really excited.
Really excited? Why?
Yes.
What are we doing?
We're skydiving.
Going skydiving. First time?
First time.
Fantastic.
We're here for an automotive conference and might as well do some skydiving.
Hey, it's a bucket list thing.
Very good. Well, you guys got anything you want to say to your friends and family before we go jump out of an airplane?
Mom, take care of Madonna if we don't land.
Yeah, please.
All right, let's go have some fun, guys.
Thanks, man.
All right.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. Keeps me high, keeps me high.
All right, Tracy, welcome back.
I'm keeping this on because I'm going up again.
That's what I'm talking about, girl. Woohoo! Nice
Oh
job.
my gosh, how fun!
Here, you can pop those goggles off and get a few quick pictures with Kenny.
Yeah, so you would do it again, clearly.
Right here at Skydive Sussex.
Thanks so much, Kenny.
All right.
Woo! Yeah, girl.